Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this iframe on Adobe Photoshop. You can use PixArt, but this is just a Photoshop tutorial. So select a photo of your eye or of your other someone eye. What? I'm trying to say like your boyfriend's eye or like husband's eye. I don't know. Anyways, go to filter and then go to liquify. And then you're just going to adjust the pressure a little bit as well as the density. And you're just going to swirl around everything. Maybe make the size of the brush a little bit, maybe not that big. A little bit bigger. And you're just going to swirl it around to create like a planet shape-esque. Don't worry about the shape that it's like not round. We will fix that later. So you're just going to swirl around until it looks somewhat like a planet. I don't really like that there's this massive black hole in the middle because of the eye, of course. So we're just going to move it to the side a little bit. And we're just going to focus on this area. It's just gonna be super abstract. Like, I'm just telling you right now, it's gonna look super weird, but like, just trust the process. I like the areas where there's green, so I'm just gonna bring that in. You know what? This will do. Obviously, you're gonna make it way more neat than me. Then just select the like circle tool here to mask it. So, just gonna lay it there, copy and paste that, and then on this one, you're just going to delete the photo. And then I just like used a Saturn, obviously, to make this. And then you're just going to adjust it with the picture here. I'm just going to copy and paste two so that we have the other option for the other eye. And then on this one, I'm just going to adjust these like lines here by erasing it. Why is the brush so small? Like so. Here as well. Okay, looking cute already. And you can kind of adjust the size here. Then for the other eye, again, I'm going to go to filter and I'm going to select liquify. And then here, I'm just gonna swirl that around. Oops, too small. I think that's good enough. And then I'm just going to press OK. And again, we're going to just use an area of the eye. Like so. And then we're going to, I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. add this on. Okay, cool. And if you want to, you can also add in like some shadows. I should have probably done it in the like mask area. So, oops, wrong. So you're just going to press control on it. You're going to get like a brush here, and then you're going to just color it black for like the shadow of the like planets if you want. I'm just going to turn up the opacity a little bit. And I'm just going to add more shadow here. And then I'm going to change it to a white color for the highlights. Maybe turn down the opacity more for this one, for this area. And then if you want to do it to the other planet, again, press control. And then add in some highlights up here. Just kind of layer them and more bright on the edges. And then for the shadow here, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.